on Saturday.
Here's my last week of freedom.
We're gonna play some golf, eat some great food, and we're gonna send you off in style.
It's gonna be great.
Miles, these girls want to party with us.
If they want to drink Merlot, we're drinking Merlot.
No, if anybody orders Merlot, I'm leaving. I am not drinking any Merlot!
Oh, how do we go back to my place?
Tonight we are celebrating Miles' book deal, published author.
Oh, what's the title?
The day after yesterday.
Oh, you mean today?
Yeah.
All I can say is that my life is pretty plain.
You're getting married on Saturday?
The bottles gather.
Just now I could have told you some story, but I didn't. I told you the truth.
And all I can do.
I spent 3 years trying to extricate myself from a relationship that was full of deception.
I am not Jack.
Point of view, but it's not sane. All I can say is that my life is pretty plain. You don't like my point of view, you think that I'm insane.